Hi, I'm Cowboy Jojo. I'm about to do a Christmas treat. They're called SPiCCHiTEDDI. They are a Christmas biscuit from an ancient recipe from the Aeolian Islands. And what I like about these peasant recipes are the fact that most of the time you just throw everything together and mix it until you get the right consistency and then form your biscuits. So without further ado, if this interests you, keep watching. With this recipe you will need 250 grams of self-raising flour, 250 grams of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of grounded clove, half a cup of olive oil, a quarter cup of almonds, blanched or otherwise, the zest of an orange, and Vinocotto, which you can actually get from a specialist delicatessen. So let's combine. Once it's come to a ball, transfer it onto a floured ball and knead it for a few minutes. Okay, at this stage we are about to form our biscuits. Pinch about a tablespoon of dough and roll it to about 20 centimeters. Almonds in the biscuits. Well, here's our end result of the SPiCCHiTEDDI, our Christmas iSOLAni biscuits. Once they have cooled down, transfer them to a board or a cooling rack, let them cool. They initially come out a little soft, but they will firm up as they cool down. Once they've cooled down, serve them on a plate and serve them up to your guests. Hopefully they will enjoy them.
Jojo's asked me to do a taste test of some Sicilian traditional thing called SPiCCHiTEDDI.
iSOLAni Christmas biscuit.
Great, okay. It's got no sugar in it, so it's going to taste crap. I need a cup of tea with it. But they're fine, I'll have another one later on. It was actually quite okay. It's got a bit of it's a nice aftertaste about the whole thing, and the spices were reasonably delicious. Okay, bye.